Morning, everyone. Welcome to Centro. I'm Yadires Nova Salcedo. Obesity is a growing problem here in the state of Massachusetts, and Governor Deval Patrick wants to do something about it. In order to fight this health crisis, he recently launched a new initiative called Mass in Motion. To talk to us about it, with us this morning is Jordan Coriza from the Massachusetts Department of Public Health. Good morning, Jordan.
Good morning, Yadires.
Welcome to Centro.
Thank you so much.
So, Jordan, what can you tell us about this brand new initiative?
Well, there's so much to talk about. It's a great initiative that was launched recently, and it has several components to it. And I think we should talk about the fact that this problem is not just here in Massachusetts. It's happening all over the country. And even though Massachusetts does compare a little favorably to other states in the country, the rate at which overweight and obesity is growing in Massachusetts is much faster than other places in the nation.
Let's talk about the problem. It is considered, what, an epidemic, a health crisis. How big is this problem, Jordan?
Well, just so you have an idea, more than half of the adult population in Massachusetts is either overweight or obese. That's a lot.
Terrible.
Children, almost a third of all school children have the same problem. So it is a widespread problem, yes, indeed.
So this initiative, how is it supposed to work?
Well, it has several components to it. Some of them are policy-oriented. Some of them are educational pieces.
Okay.
It's supposed to work by first bringing awareness to the population. We're releasing a report. We have released a report that actually documents the scope of this problem, and it gives ideas to leaders of communities and companies and the state leaders as to what can be done in the private sector and in the public sector. We are also proposing some regulations that are being reviewed right now.
And some of those, I understand that, I guess, restaurant chains, they're supposed to be able to display or disclose the caloric content?
Absolutely.
Okay, talk to us about that.
Yes, so chain restaurants in Massachusetts are going to have to post the caloric content of the food they sell, so that when people come up to the register and order something, they know what foods are more caloric than others. Mm-hmm. And this is not something that happened just here in Massachusetts that we thought of. It's something that is happening in other parts of the country and has shown results. So we're trying to adopt that. The other piece that is being proposed is the BMI, the body mass index,
yes,
in children in schools, to be calculated every 3 years and reported back to parents.
So parents would know whether their children need a little extra exercise or changing their eating habits. It's very important.
Absolutely. And so, and that brings me to another very important component of the initiative, which is a website called Mass in Motion.
And that's what you would call more of the educational piece of this initiative, okay?
Exactly. So the educational piece is this website that tries to focus on personal lifestyle change. And we're trying to teach people two major things to think about and to do when it comes to trying to fight personally overweight, and that is eating better, so better portion control, eating more fruits and vegetables, where to find them, recipes, healthy recipes, that sort of thing. And
there's a blog. A very important aspect of the website is that there's a blog and they're able to communicate and get answers.
Absolutely,
right?
Absolutely. This is our way of interfacing with the public. People
That's really good.
Send postings, make comments. It's a fantastic
Jordan,
tool.
thank you so much for coming by. It's a great initiative, and let's see if a lot of us get healthier. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me.
All right. Now, for more information on Mass in Motion, you can call 617-624-6063 to get a link to their website. You can visit us online at wbztv.com/centro. I'm Yadires Nova Salcedo. Thank you so much for being with us today, everybody. Have a great weekend. See you next time.